what's up with CRO, the crypto.com token? As I look, is it a good buy right now? That's my whole stick is value investing. And so is that one of the good buys? Let me just show you what I'm talking about. You go over here to on my list of things I watched. There it is, down 17%. We are Sunday morning at 6 in the morning here, Alabama time, down 18%. And so I think, is this a good buy? Now, first, what I've seen is there is a really ugly head and shoulders. I don't know if that would, of course, that's not real. It can't be real because, to take the measure, you would have to go from the head to the line, and then that's not right. So, see, there's no way. But if you go over here and look at this last right shoulder that I'm drawing, what is it doing? And if you look, it's also not making, it tried to break up. There is definitely a line of resistance, and it broke it. So is it the time to buy? Well, technically, if this is going to survive, yes. This is not financial advice, but this is what I personally, my opinion would do, is look at this thing called the fear and greed, and we're still in extreme fear. And when you look, that's the time to be buying, is during extreme fear on things that's going to survive. So in that sense, again, not financial advice, this is time to get into CRO. Am I going to do it right now? I think I'm going to wait and see what this does right here, because, on the daily, as you're looking, the RSI is getting low. This Stokes RSI it's actually going the right. MACD. What I would like to see is something start turning. Something start turning back up, maybe crossing the line here. So I will probably be watching. I go to the 4 hour and look. Yeah, it's going the wrong way on the 4 hour, 1 hour. But as you look, there is the 1 hour is turning up. But again, everything that might be its indication things are starting to turn. But I'm not talking about day trading. I'm talking about holding for 5 years or longer. So CRO is one I've been looking at. Again, I might be waiting till this thing actually shows me it's really turning. The other thing I have seen is this Geist Finance, which is on the Phantom Network. It looks on the daily to be one of a few that may be a cup and handle, which would, if you were to, let's see, I can do it without messing up my chart here. Yeah. Now that it's showing quite a bit of potential. And again, if for a long term, if you were trying to trade this on the daily, it's actually one that's looking pretty, because that's a bull flag. You scroll in a little bit more though, we may have, that is actually maybe a head and shoulders forming. We shall see. But if that doesn't play out, it looks overall to be bullish. The other thing, as we're looking, as a long-term investor, I have been looking for opportunities to get a good deal on Bitcoin and Ethereum. But I'm going to show you something. If you go over here to Bitcoin, that does not look right. Oh, that's a short. That's a long. All right, here we go. If you go over here, click on the daily, it started to turn, but then it seems to be wanting to play this game at the bottom. The market is just, I mean, we're at a bottom of some sort, but can it go, down, as Richard Hart said, to 10,000? Sure. I mean, because it's already broke that line of resistance here, and it's below it. It's very possible to come up and bounce off that and come back down. And then as far as ETH, that's not looking very good either, but 1240 is an excellent price on Ethereum in my mind. I would have loved to get that price during the bull market last year. I would have loved it. And I think Ethereum's here to stay. So, again, not financially advised. All right. And then if you look at the total market, go over here to total. And go to total. Boop. Yeah, the total market is not, it just looks bad. It looked like it started to do something good. It got up to a point. You see that right there? You can see if I can get my horizontal line out of there. Horizontal line. And you see it did that. It bounced off of that. And then let's see here. Is that, yep. Yeah, well, you see, well, broke, bounced, and now there is it's not even really a point of support. I mean, you got maybe this right here, and it's already broke that. So, is there more pain? Probably. Is it a good time to buy? Yes. And it's playing down the bottom. So again, if you're long-term investing, 5 years or more, fantastic time to buy. All right, I'll be putting out some more things about the gaming industry shortly. I will also be showing just a few things about DeFi, which Geist was one that I'm in, and they got a really neat concept. But anyway, stay tuned. Don't care if you subscribe. If you do, this is the first video to get out. If you do, notate that it was 0 subscribers, and then you're the first one. Let me know. And I'm not going to say I'm going to do something, but just let me know if you're the first one. And only do it if you want the notifications. I don't really care about the numbers. I just want, I guess, real followers. So anyway, we'll holler at y'all a little bit. Talk to you later.